Hey everyone, Rachel Clark here. I'm coming to you from my home in Southern Illinois. I hope you all are having a great day so far. So today I want to share with you 4 signs that you may have too many toxins in your life. And I'm also going to share with you some tips on what you can do to reduce some of those toxins. So thank you so much for joining me, and for those of you that are watching the replay, thank you so much. If you want to drop down in the comments where you are watching from, I'd love to, give you a shout out and come back and say hi and thank you for watching. So, all right, let's get to it. 4 signs that you may have too many toxins in your life. 1 is that you are always tired. And I'm talking about even if you've had a good night's sleep, but you just have no energy and you're always tired. I've been there, so I completely understand. And what do you do when you are just trying to make it through the day and you're wanting a little bit more energy? Well, if you're anything like me, I would go to coffee because you want that caffeine. You just want to try to make it through the day. Or there's a lot of people that are going for the energy drinks, and those are so damaging to your health. But I completely understand when you are struggling and you are just wanting that energy, so you're going for whatever is going to help get you through the day. So always being tired. That's one sign that you have too many toxins in your life. Another one is you can't lose weight, and there's something else I can relate to, that even if you are trying to work out and eat the right things, but your weight is not budging, that's another sign that you have too many toxins in your life. Another one, and this is not one that people like to talk about, but it happens to many of us, and that is constipation. And I talk to people about this quite frequently because I'm trying to help people improve their health and get everything back on track. But people think that they get to the point where they think it's normal to maybe only go to the bathroom once, maybe twice a week, and that's not the case. And I understand that, like I said, it's not something that you're sitting around with your friends like, hey, how often are you going to the bathroom? But that is another sign that you have too many toxins in your life. And then another thing is muscle aches and pains. And I'm not talking about going to the gym and, being a little bit sore. I'm talking about just constantly having some kind of pain in your body and in your joints, and that also just leads to just being tired because you don't feel well. And that's another thing that I can relate to, is having those achy joints and not feeling well. So those are some signs that you have too many toxins in your life. And so now I want to share with you some tips on what you can do to help remove some of the toxins. And here's the thing, no matter what, you're always going to be there's always toxins. You walk out of your house, you breathe the air. I mean, there's nothing that you can do to completely remove all the toxins in your life, but there are some things that you can do to help lessen those toxins. So 1, it's getting away from processed food and sugar. And I know what a struggle that can be if you are, drinking those monster drinks, when you are, eating not the right foods and stuff like that, because it's hard to get away from that because your body is craving that. But Y'all, we only have one body, so it is so important that we do what we can to take care of it. So get away, lessen, the processed foods and the sugar. And yes, if you are really eating a lot of sugar, you're going to go through some withdrawals. But I do have a tip that later on that might actually help you with that. And another thing is drink water. Drink lots of water. I can pretty much guarantee that the majority of us are not drinking enough water. So you should be at least aiming for a gallon a day. And I know that's a lot of water, but it's so important to stay hydrated. And what you can do, a couple tips is, one, you fill up your gallon jug so that way you can track and see. And another thing is if you take a gallon of water and then maybe have multiple cups or something like that you have them in, and like this one I need to have all of that down by 10 a.m. and then the next one I need to have that one down by noon. Just something like that, because you will notice a difference once you start drinking enough water, and it's really great for your skin. And we're going into the winter months, and so it is so important to stay hydrated. Another thing is the products that you are using. Your deodorant, your skincare products, your shampoos, your conditioner. And that's why I love being a part of a company that they have all of these all natural products. So their soap, like I said, the shampoo, conditioner, the skincare, different things like that. Try to do what you can to start replacing things in your home and using all natural products. And that's like even what you're cleaning your home with. And what I do is, and I'll share more about this in another video, but I use essential oils, and I will make up my own things to clean the house. So if you know anything about essential oils, you're getting some extra benefits while you're cleaning. It can be very uplifting, and you never know, you may actually start to enjoy cleaning your home because of the benefits of the essential oils. And then another thing you can do is detox baths. And you take Epsom salt, baking soda, about a cup each, and then you add in some essential oils. Some of my favorites to use are simple ones like peppermint, lemon, lavender, and they're very relaxing. And so what you do is you just put these together. When you're using the oils, also add in a little bit of fractionated coconut oil, mix it together, put it in your bath, and be in there for at least 20 minutes. And another thing too is those oils, they're very relaxing. So if you do that bath, then you're gonna probably sleep really well at night. And again, it's another way to just relax and unwind and take 20 minutes for yourself. And then another thing that I do, and I do this a couple of times a week, is I have a detox tea that I drink that helps to flush out the toxins from my body. And when I first started this journey, that was a game changer for me because I had gained some weight due to some anxiety medicine that I was on, and everything that I was trying to do was not working and the weight would not budge. And then once I started incorporating the detox tea, also with some of the nutrition that I do, it really helped to flush those toxins out. And I couldn't believe the difference that it made, just as far as even the energy that I had. And now I can tell a difference if I go too long, say life just gets crazy and gets in the way, that I've gone too long without drinking the detox tea. So that is so important to do on a consistent basis. So again, tips to help reduce the toxins: getting away from processed foods and sugar. Again, I can't say this enough. We only have one body, so it is so important that we take care of it. 2, make sure that you are drinking plenty of water. And I know some of you might be like, I just don't like water. It doesn't have any taste. You can use fruit to put in there, add some lemon to it, anything like that. Just make sure that you're staying hydrated. Natural skincare products and natural products that you use to clean your home. These are so simple. These are simple changes that you can do, and it will make a difference. And then the detox baths, which so many great benefits. Yes, you're removing toxins, but so great just to relax and take some time for yourself to unwind. And the detox tea. And the detox tea that I use, I'll drop a link down in the comments that if you want to check that out, you can. And if you do want to start with that detox tea, then please reach out to me, because as I tell people, when you drink your detox tea at night, you have a moving experience the next morning. And so I ease people into using that, and I'm telling you, it's made a difference. It's made an improvement in my health and helped in my weight loss. So anyway, I hope that you found these tips useful. If you think that other people can benefit from this, then please hit that share button and help other people to remove the toxins from their life, and to also recognize that they have too many toxins in their life. And at any point in time, reach out to me, send me a message. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. I do personally respond to every message that I receive. So I hope you all have a great day, and I'll be talking to you soon.